Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm my name Umehprincessfrankvlog. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe and click on the notification bell down below. Our topic of today is how to make rice scrub. Before I get started on the process, I would like to share with you the benefit of rice to the skin. Rice helps in smoothing and tightening of the skin. Rice gives glow to the skin. Rice also helps in the treatment of acne, pimples, rashes, and also eczema in the skin. There's another additional thing I'm going to be adding into my rice to achieve my rice scrub, which is the honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer. Honey helps in keeping the skin well hydrated. Honey also helps in the smoothing and tightening of the skin. Honey also helps the skin to absorb moisture, and in all, honey also helps in the prevention of infection to our skin. As you all has listened to the benefit of rice and that of honey, we are going to get started on the process. So do stay tuned and be entertained. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. I hope this video is beneficial to someone out there that have acne and pimples and rashes on their faces. Love you all. Have a nice day ahead and stay tuned for my next other videos that is to come. Bye guys.